Hey gang, this is a report on Project Backup Jack. Before the power outage, my PowerShoot software reported that I had 12 minutes of life. I may use that during the power outage. Now, after the power outage, this 40 amp hour battery fully charged. 1 minute of battery backup life. So that American Power Conversion's backup, battery backup power scrubber is useless. So I'm going to get a 500 watt inverter. I picked it out. Enough to run my laptop. And since we got two 40 amps and two 50 amps, I should be able to get through a blackout with computer.